Hello, I've asked you to write here what genres or type beats you would like to see on this channel, and I've got a lot of comments here. Let's just choose randomly. Oh, ambient! Wow, what a coincidence! I don't feel like making some chords right now. So here I have my song, Love Me Back.
It's out on Spotify and all other platforms.
So yeah, let's just choose some part of this track. I think that will do. And now, what I'm gonna do with this? Track 1, here, go to fruity reverb. Oh, it looks so weird. What is this black thing? It was here all the time. So, decay, all the way up, wet level, all the way up, dry level, all the way down. And pretty much our ambient song is ready. Okay, no, it sounds like shit. I'm confused right now because for some reason I thought this is a very good idea. Okay, delete all that. Let's just make it how it was supposed to be with some synthesizers. Should I just keep the same chord like ba ba ba, and then it continues and the bass note, and that's gonna be it. I'm just going to make it very long. To be honest, this synthesizer is such a mystery for me. Let's use different synthesizer. Okay, I have this synthesizer and let's search for some. Oh my gosh, do you hear this? And this second synthesizer I'm going to make sound very weird, and for that I'm going to use Freak 2. Okay, I need a bass here. Yeah. It sounds so sexy. Oh yeah. The arrangement itself is kind of boring, so we need to compensate it with some tweaks. And what I'm going to do right now, empty pattern, record button, then I'm going here. And right now, if I did everything right, it should record my movement to this empty pattern. I was doing it for 2 minutes. Did I record it? I recorded my fucking voice. I just recorded how I was talking. And I'm going to tweak this thing, like reverse it so nobody understands what I'm talking about. Alter Boy, robot. Now all of it should sound in one note. That's good. Next, we have to go. What is the name of this plugin? Vocaloid or just Vox? Vocodex. We go here. Here. And we just hit the notes C, E, G. C, G. Is it G? No, it's not G. C, G, E. Okay, but it sounds kinda not really good. I'm not sure about this. But there is an idea. My favorite plugin. Yeah, of course, that sounds a lot better. Am I crazy? But that sounds not that bad. Okay, I'm going to close my eyes, listen to all of this, then I will tell you if this is bad or good. Okay, it sounds. Let's get the thing done with this automation I was making. So what was the problem? I had to make sure this was checked. Now it is. Let's record it again. Maybe let's record the guitar. As you can hear, I was not touching my guitar for a while. Let's cook our guitar sound. And that just sounds so beautiful. There is this timeless delay, and here we have some pretty interesting things. Just played some notes without any fucking knowing what I'm playing. And what we're going to do is something we don't know what to do. Yeah, that's beautiful, no? Let's try it in the context. Making ambient is so easy. We need to copy paste this note so it just repeats to the end of the song. Nothing special, very boring, like my life. I'm just listening it on repeat and hypnotizing myself. I just don't know what else I can do. Yeah, let's add some drums to it. Okay, this is weird. I don't know what I'm doing here. I think I'm done. I'm just listening it over and over and over and over. And yeah, thank you for watching over and over and over and over and over and over.